Hello, I'm Alena from Waxley, and today we are in Benidorm. Today I want to show you a new built apartment with a great price and really good quality. These new homes are in a great location, just a few minutes from shopping centers, entertainment, supermarkets, cafes, schools, and everything you need for a comfortable life. All apartments will be delivered fully furnished, ensuring a hassle-free moving experience. You'll also have the opportunity to choose the materials and interior style to suit your personal taste, making your new home truly your own. It offers a large co-working space, a fully equipped gym, paddle courts, and stunning infinity pool with amazing views. There is also a peaceful park area with mature trees, perfect for walk even on hot Spanish days. Here you can also find a well-priced apartment with a private pool and large private area. They feel almost like your private villa. The total plot is 500 square meters. Prices start from €425,000. The apartment comes fully furnished, so you can just move in. It has 88 square meters inside and the big 18 square meters terrace with a direct access from the living room. The quality is top level. Marble finishes, high-end windows and doors. Even a charging point ready for your electric car. A private storage room is already included in the price, also the parking space. There is also a smart recognition system in the entrance, super safe and high-tech. It will be very quiet inside. The sound installation is excellent. The prices are super attractive, starting from €335,000 for 88 square meters and 18 square meters terrace. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please contact us and don't forget to subscribe us. See you soon!